Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add local font in the Pixlr app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Pixlr app on your home screen. Now open it. Then choose one photo that you want to add the text. Then, to add the text, here you can find the option of text. Now simply tap on it. And then type whatever you want to type, just like this, and tap on to next. Now to add the local fonts, here we can find the option of fonts right here. Now slide to right, and these are the local fonts that you can add to your text. Now choose one, just like this, and after that tap on to the check mark. And that's it. This is how you can add the local fonts in the Pixlr app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.